at it.
Look up.
Oh!
Pivot.
And there he is.
You gonna go play?
Leave him alone. He's sleeping.
Happy Wednesday, Poppy.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you.
¿Por qué hiciste del baño otra vez? Acabo de limpiar y ya andas de pinche cochina.
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels. And I've peed on 10 trees, so 10 times 2, 20 squirrels. 100,000 minus 20 is 99,980 squirrels. Holy shit.
Take one. Good boy. Go to take one. Good girl. Let's go take one. Good boy. Diamond, take one. Good girl.
She's actually making a snowball.
That is hilarious.
Dante, ven. Ven, Dante. Ven. Ven.
Señoras y señores, va Modric, va, habilita a Vinicius, vino para Benzema.
I'm sorry. I have to come home smelling like dogs sometimes. I do. Little bite, small bite. Take a little nibble, little smaller.
This is how I come upstairs to him sleep on the couch. Bully! Get up. Oh my god!
No. Yeah.
Do Superman, do Superman, do Superman.
What did you do? Did you get stuck in the blanket that you chewed a hole in? Oh, goodness. Have you been stuck in there the whole time Mommy's gone? Oh, boy.
We've got this little weirdo. What you got there, Coops?
Sorry, sit. Sorry, sit.
Yeah.
¡Es el jefe!
Gracias por tu presentación, Carrarín, pero todos saben quién soy yo.
What is that? Stop it. Not bad.
Stop it! Nella! I just wanted one picture of you! Why are we doing this? Nella! Nella! Oh my god! Out of my flat! Nella! I just wanted one picture!
Excuse me, sir.
Vamos.
So you stare and particularly under there.
¡Es una porquería! ¡Oh, por Dios, tengo miedo! Estoy bien, viejo. Deja que me reponga y vas a ver, maldito.
What's wrong?
Pause. Hey. Hey, teamwork? Hey, this pause now. In there. Other paw. Other paw. Hey, paw. Livia, come on, teamwork.
I'm a happy boy. I'm a happy boy.
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?
Did you know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had?
Where's Cheeseburger? Where did she go? I can't find her. Good boy.
Roscoe, you cannot have both. You need to share. You need to share. No. No. You need to share.
Hello. Hello, Jackie. You look nice.
No, pendejo, ni puedes pasar.
Parker, Daddy just wants to put his arm on me. Parks, he can put his arm on me.
Buddy, you gotta put your tongue back in your mouth. It's gonna dry out. It's gonna dry out. Put that away.
Feeding time. She really likes her dog food. She's got some unusual eating habits.
Great manners.
Yeah.
Come here, you. She's like, no.
Hey, go fetch me a pop. Grab me a pop, would you? Come on, give me. Oh, shit.
There goes our power.
Ready? Come on.
Okay. Oh, I wonder where Percy is. Ava, have you seen Percy? Oh well, too bad. He's gonna miss out on some popcorn. Yes.
Hi, Grandma. I play baseball.
Cola, get in here! You're bad! I'm sorry! She's so big she can hit the door and it opens! She's terrible!
What'd you do?
Hey, trouble. Are you gonna make trouble? Hey, get out of here. Hey, get
Come on, let's go.
Oh, yeah. This is my dog's first day at doggy daycare. And my baby is gone, y'all. My baby is gone. Ooh wee. Let me go and put that back down.
You want to go to the bark park?
Go for it.
I just don't have the energy for this. I am unsubscribing from this drama.
Check it out.
Oh my god. Who did this? Blue, sit down. No, you are a bad boy. Blue, stop. Nobody. Blue, listen. Look at his feet.
Are you a good girl? You just want attention? Huh? Are you just cute? What?
What are you doing?
Mastiff?
Cobra! Get up, buddy. Okay.
Nothing's happened.
Hard to get it out. I think it's just a...
Okay, Django, Halloween is coming up, so we have to practice our tricks for the treats. Okay, is that okay with you? Okay.
Open it. Open the gate.
Ma?
Who was interested first? Who said I love you first?
Good job, Pablo. Good job.